Hey everyone, so I'm coming to you with this little quick grocery haul. I thought it was little until I laid everything out. There's some other things that I got that are not worth mentioning, but I thought there were some new things here, so I wanted to share this with you guys today. So first over here I have heads of cauliflower, which I got from Winco. They were about like $1.50 each. And I'm actually gonna rice these this time. So I'm gonna put these in my Ninja and make them into a rice. And I'm gonna be mixing them with these mixed vegetables because I'm gonna be doing a chicken stir fry. Now, these mixed vegetables, you gotta watch them because if you look at the nutrition label, that is 8 net carbs, but it's for 2/3 of a cup. So because I'm gonna be spreading this throughout the chicken fried rice, like I'm not gonna consume 2/3 of a cup. So I'm not really worried about the carbs on there. Next, we have the Pasta Zero, the shirataki style spaghetti ones, and the shirataki fettuccine. So if you follow me on Instagram, I posted about these before. If you notice, it is only 1 net carb for about half of this pack. And what I'm going to be doing with these is my kids have been asking for, guess what? Ramen. And so once again, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see what I did with them. But I took the seasoning packets from out of these ramen. I cooked up these noodles, added the seasoning packets to it, and my kids said it tastes just like these ramen noodles. Now, I don't know if you've ever looked at the back of the package of one of these. This one package is 2 servings. And if you look closely, you'll see that it's 26 carbs just for half a pack. So that is ridiculous. Now, yes, in this seasoning packet, not the greatest ingredients, but guess what? For some ramen every now and then for my kids to kind of bring something back in a healthier style that they haven't had in a long time, this is going to be awesome. Check out my Instagram to see the full details on how I did that. No matter how many times I post the Lavish Bread, I still get a million questions. I did a very in-detail write-up on this on Instagram telling you all about it. Now, look at my hand on this sheet of Lavish. A serving size is only half. Look how big that is. It's huge. Now, you get 4 huge squares, but there's 8 servings in here because a serving is half. I get these from Walmart for about $2.56. These are 5 net carbs per serving if you go with the nutrition facts over here. If you go with their math over here, it's only 4. Why did they do that? I don't know. Now, wheat is inflammatory, which can lead to weight gain. So I don't consume these often. You can definitely put them in a freezer. Actually, I've noticed when I buy them from Walmart, they've kind of defrosted now. When I buy them from Walmart, they're actually frozen. They're over there next to the bread, and they're frozen when I buy them. So I'll be sticking a few of these in the fridge and taking them out as we need them. So I used to buy just erythritol. So I don't remember if I showed you guys this. I now get this pure from Walmart. It's just under $7 for a bag. And I like this because it has erythritol and stevia combined together. So the flavors of erythritol cancel out that strong kind of nasty aftertaste of the stevia. And the erythritol by itself, I noticed, was really granular and it didn't dissolve well. This, is perfect. So I use this in everything. I got some cans of tuna and some dill relish. We used to do sweet relish, but now we do dill. And I got that to make my tuna, but I like my tuna sweet. So when I make my tuna, I sprinkle a little bit of this pure in it, and it kind of makes the dill taste sweet. I got the unsweetened almond vanilla milk, and I'm gonna be using this to make some chia seed pudding. And yeah, that's what that's for. I got some salsa because I plan on doing some taco bowls. I get the Tirani's sugar-free s'mores. This is my favorite. I have this in my coffee, and there's the macros for that. I get a lot of questions on what kind of peanut butter I use. I've been eating peanut butter since the beginning of my keto journey. Right now I'm down 66 pounds. So has this affected me? No. Do I eat this every day? No. Actually, I don't even remember the last time I had it, but my family loves it, so I keep it on hand. And it is 4 net carbs for 2 tablespoons and only 3 grams of sugar. So I think like this is the best tasting one without going to the ones that literally have like no sweet flavor at all and are very oily. So this is just our preference. Also, I'm sure I showed you guys this before. This is my favorite dressing right now. Oh, the Italian? Yeah, this is my favorite dressing. I thought I picked up the wrong one. So here are the macros for that. 2 carbs, 2 sugars for 2 tablespoons. So not bad. Kind of get, you know, the Olive Garden in your house. So I picked up some meat today. And I was looking for yellow tags because we all know meat is not cheap. And yes, this is the 73% lean. I was looking for the 80-20, but this one was reduced, so I went ahead and bought this. And then we got some country style rib butts or butt ribs, and that one was on sale too, so I picked that up. We just added salmon back into our lives, wild caught, and then some tilapia, just to have some seafood every now and then, and to have something, you know, a meat that's not so fatty when you're trying to get the protein in. And I don't know if you guys know, but salmon is very high in potassium, so it's a great thing to consume when you're trying to get that potassium in. Also, we got our 60-count eggs from Walmart, and this was like $6.70, so that's not bad at all. And here is some beef gelatin. Now, this beef gelatin, I use it in cookies to make them softer sometimes, and I also use it to make my gummy bears, which I finally perfected the recipe. Check out my Instagram for that recipe and the pictures too. And I use the sugar-free Jello in order to make it. So I get my gelatin from natural grocers, but you can find these on Amazon, and a lot of people tell me that they can't find the Lavish. Those are on Amazon as well. So I'll put the link to my Amazon site. It's amazon.com/shop/heartstringsketo. So if you want to head over there and see what some of my favorite keto products are and go order through there. I am an affiliate, so I do get a commission when you order through there. But sometimes there's some keto things that are just hard to find, and Amazon is like our go-to. So hopefully you guys will check that out. Help a sister out. Anyway, so this is pretty much all that I got on this little haul today. Hopefully you see something new, something that you can add to your own pantry. So I will see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram to see what I eat every day. Have a good day, all. Bye.